Good morning, students. Today, here I am going to discuss a different type of irrational number. For example, under root 2, 3.5, or take a general number under root x on given number line by different method. Okay. For example, you can take here under root 3.5. As you can see here, AB, distance AB is taken as 3.5, the number which is given to you under the root. Then we have added 1 unit in AB. Then from on B we have drawn a perpendicular. Then taking AC distance as a diameter, we have drawn a semicircle. Okay, and this semicircle is intersected at point D with the perpendicular drawn previously, and this BD distance is your required distance under root 3.5. Now you will extend this point, and from taking B as center, you will taking 3.5 as radius, you will cut an arc on the number and you will get under root 3.5 on the number line. I will show you by making. Here, for example, I have taken under root 3.8. At first, we will draw a straight line and anywhere take a distance. Suppose it is point A. Okay. Now measure distance 3.8 unit. By using scale, you can measure it as 3.8 centimeter also. So here the distance is 3, here 3.5, and I have this point I have taken B, and by measuring with the scale it is your 3.8 unit. Okay, now again you will add 1 centimeter as BC. This 1 unit it is, and this point is BC. You have added here, this is your 1 unit. Here unit I have taken centimeter, that's why this will be 1 centimeter, this will be 3.8 centimeter. Now at point B, draw a perpendicular. I have drawn this perpendicular. You can draw perpendicular by using protractor also and by using compass also. It will be better if you will use compass. Okay, no problem. Use protractor also, use compass also. Now what will you do? Take diameter AC. Take diameter AC and then make a semicircle with the diameter AC. Okay, but to make semicircle as diameter AC, first we have to find out the midpoint O. Okay, and the midpoint O will be what? It will be your 3.8 plus 1 unit. It will be your 4.8. Okay, so this distance is the your DC AC distance. Okay, so your radius will be what? Radius will be AC upon 2, and AC is your 4.8 unit upon 2, that's why it will be 2.4 unit. So measure distance from A, it will lie somewhere, it will be the distance 2.4 unit, and take this as point as center. Yes, this distance is your center. Suppose center D, or you can take O also, but I have made O as, I have left the O as origin. So this distance is D and AD is radius. So take distance AD in compass, D as center, and make the semicircle with diameter AC. See, I have taken D as center and radius as 2.4 units, and then we have draw the semicircle. Okay, we have drawn the semicircle. Now this semicircle is intersecting the previous drawn perpendicular, suppose at point E, and this E and the distance EB is our required distance. What is the required distance? 3.8. Actually we didn't know the distance or length under root 3.8, that's why we have done all this stuff. Okay, now we have the distance under root 3.8. Again we will take B as center, the distance under root 3.8 as a radius, and draw this on the number line arc like this. I have taken B as center and the distance BE as radius, and then I have drawn the arc on number line. Cut this arc cuts on number line. Suppose this point is your E dash and this point E dash represents actually BE. BE represents the distance under root 3.8. If you will take B as O, na, you can take here. If you are taking B as O, then B works as origin, and then point E dash, you can suppose that this OE is number line where O is your origin and E dash, then OE dash will be the point 3.8. Okay, this E dash point will be 3.8. But when you will take B as center, that means if it is origin. So when you are make here A and take the distance 3.8 O, then you need not to improve later. Similarly, you can take any type of examples which are in under root and it is in decimal. If it is not in decimal, under root 2 also you can represent under root 2, under root 3, etc. also by this method, using this method. Okay, that's all for this video. For example, you can practice 9.8, 11.2 and do under root 2 and under root 3, under root 5 also by using this method. Okay, thank you.